Alright, in this video we're going to be going over the yield calibration on a John Deere S700 Series Combine with the Generation 4 Command Center. From our main menu, we're going to start out with our bottom right hand icon. Then we'll go to our Calibrations and Procedures button. We'll then scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and select Yield Calibration. On this page, to start a calibration load, we simply hit the Record button to the right hand side and Start. Then at that point, we'll put the header down, begin combining some crop. You'll see on your flow the product coming through. It'll show the amount going through the combine. Then you'll see your pounds adding up here. And in this case, we're just going to hit delete and OK, because we're not actually harvesting anything. You would just let that run in the background as you're harvesting, and that will get your first calibration load. Back at the main screen, you just continue harvesting as that load's gathering in the background.